So given the information we have this week, let's tackle two important questions in the discussion forum. First, discuss some of the conditions and obstacles that resistance groups, Jewish and non-Jewish, encountered in Poland. Question 2, victim, bystander, collaborator, or rescuer. How do you understand the actions of ordinary Poles in the Holocaust? And to end this week's lecture, let's take a few minutes to review assignment number 2. Like assignment number 1, this is meant to be a smaller assignment between 500 and 750 words. Again, you have flexibility with this project, and if you prefer to submit it as a podcast, a blog, a vlog posting, that's also possible. Choose a book, an archival video or film, or an exhibit, and present a concise analysis of some of the key elements that struck you as being significant. Scholarly reviews are often written by PhD candidates and published in academic as well as public journals. This is an opportunity for you to distill your commentary and knowledge into a succinct literary piece. You have flexibility in the type of review you wish to submit. You may prefer to submit a strictly academic written review. In the folder named Review Information Assignment 2, you will have several examples of reviews in a variety of styles. I've included a review of the young reader's book, The Boy in the Striped Pajamas, by the late David Cesarani. He was perhaps one of the most influential historians of the Holocaust in Britain, and wrote this piece in response to the popularity of the book in English schools. It was published first in a literary review, and since that time has been republished a number of times for its forthright analysis of issues Cesarani and many historians took with the book. It's a good example of a historian weighing in on a literary and education debate. I've also included a review that I wrote several years ago for a book project that offered contemporary reviews of important films shot in Berlin and used the cityscape as its backdrop. So the editor had a specific goal in mind: short, concise reviews of approximately 300 words, complemented with photo stills of the Berlin scenes. The film was Leni Riefenstahl's soft propaganda piece, Olympia, and by the time the piece was offered to me to write, at least two other people declined to write the review, not wanting to wade into the themes of the Holocaust. Now, personally, I enjoyed writing this piece as it was a real challenge to distill a couple of important arguments into such a short word count and to present it as a fresh analysis. Another review I wrote for Prism describes an exhibit which incorporates an element of live performance into it. The exhibit wanted to show what life was like for a successful middle-class Jewish family in Berlin before the Holocaust. And I've also included an academic review which critiques a book written on an episode in Irish history. I've included it because the author at the time was an MA student and really offers a concise, robust critique of the topic. So you have 4 reviews, each in a different style, offering a variety of viewpoints. And I hope these will inspire you to choose something, a book, a film, an exhibit, and share your interpretation and analysis of it in a manner that could fit. So finally, have a great week, everyone. And keep in mind your first assignment is due next week, week 3.